Breaking news coming in the Sushant Rajput death case, and the CBI has in fact sought medical legal opinion from AIIMS Delhi. They have shared the autopsy report with AIIMS to review the Sushant Rajput death case post-mortem report. This is the latest that we're getting in the Sushant Rajput death case probe. Let me go across to my colleague Santhya Gora on this. Santhya, so what we have in fact seen that several questions had in fact been raised by the family with regard to the autopsy report. And now what we can in fact see is that the CBI has now sought a medical legal opinion from AIIMS.
Yes, absolutely, Tanima. And AIIMS team is going to help CBI to first study forensic evidences which have been provided by Mumbai police to see whether there was any kind of tampering or not. Because that's that one thing which CBI would, that's going to be the first stage in CBI's investigation to study the forensic evidences, including the recreation of crime scene and studying the crime scene, and also talking about what's going to be CBI's next step is going to question today record statements of those who were present in the house. It started yesterday only. Neeraj, Sushant's housekeeper, Tanima, was questioned for hours by CBI, and today also other people who were present in the house, Siddharth Pithani, who was Sushant's friend and also was looking after some of his work, Dipesh Sawant, his bodyguard, another house help, Keshav. All these people will be questioned by CBI today. Tanima.
Right, Santhya. In fact, what we can see is that there have been several questions which have been raised by the family with regard to the autopsy report. In fact, the family had earlier itself pointed out how is it that there was no time of death which had been reported in the autopsy report. In fact, Times Network had accessed the autopsy report yesterday, which revealed that the injuries around the late actor's neck were consistent with the ligature marks and that no other external injuries were found. But however, as the family has also been complaining about this, that the time of death has not been mentioned in that post-mortem report. That of course also brings up a question as to whether this is a lapse in the procedures which needed to be followed, or whether the CBI is actually looking at this angle as well.
Yes, absolutely. See, Tanima, a clear-cut clarification obviously will be sought, because we are talking about an autopsy which happened within hours of the death. It was 14th of June in the afternoon when Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead, and late in the night of the same day actually, autopsy was conducted. So there was no significant delay which could have led to decomposition of the body, which could have hampered the estimation of the approximate time of death, because in fact the post-mortem report clearly mentions that how the body was not, it was not decomposed. So that's exactly why it raises questions. Yes, it does, that why the time of death was not mentioned, and that's something on which clarification will be sought from the doctors who conducted the autopsy. It was a 5 doctors panel, Tanima, and that's why those doctors will also be questioned by CBI teams. Tanima.
Right, Santhya, stay with us. We of course have other breaking inputs coming in on the Sushant Rajput death case as well.